What do you know about our universe? The universe is everything. It includes all of space, and all the matter and energy that space contains. The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological description of the development of the universe. According to this theory, the universe began almost 14 billion years ago in an extremely hot and dense state, from which it has cooled and expanded since. While the spatial size of the entire universe is unknown, the cosmic inflation equation indicates that it must have a minimum diameter of 23 trillion light-years. And it is possible to measure the size of the observable universe, which is approximately 93 billion light-years in diameter at the present day. From studying the movement of galaxies, it has been discovered that the universe contains much more matter than is accounted for by visible objects like stars, galaxies, nebulas, and interstellar gas. This unseen matter is known as dark matter, and that is a story for another day.